So in this video we will understand how we can do the synthesis using the Cadence, that is Genus tool. Okay, so in my drive now we have one Verilog file, that is C17, and I have written that tcl command. Okay, so first let's see what tcl command is doing. So see, first we have to set the library path. So what we are taking the library, okay, and then we have to also HDL search path. So using this command line we can do. So I have given that, and then what are the library you are taking. So this library, and then you can take TSMC, Cadence, Synopsys, Global Foundry, any library, and then read that HDL file whatever we have taken, and elaborate that HDL file, and that is name of that. Then synthesize generic, synthesize mapping. We can give effort medium low, that is medium low high, and synthesize that is optimization, how you will do the optimization medium low high, and then finally write the netlist after the synthesis. Okay, so this is basic for the synthesis. You can add whatever you required for giving constraint, for report power, area, these all things you can give it. Okay, so I am going to close, and then I am going to instantiate that. I am going to ping that tools. So now we have entered in the Cadence. Now what we have to do for Genus, what you have to do, write Genus, then legacy UI mode, user interface mode, then F, and then name of that tcl. So design.tcl, and then press enter. Now see, it is checking license and loading the tool scripts. So guys, please do subscribe my channel. See, synthesis is going on. Now see, it has opened in GUI mode, because in the tcl command we have given GUI a start like that. So right click here, view the schematic. So see that RTL code is converted to the schematic. This is a schematic, and the netlist we have generated. See, this NAND 2x1, NAND 2x1 it is taking, so it is taking from the library. So that is hardware, and then we can see that netlist generated or not. So we have seen that this, you can also analyze the power, area, these all things. Okay, report power, so you can see internal power, these all things you can see according to your need. So I am going to close this. Now see, now in this folder we are seeing that netlist file generated. See, c17.netlist. So this is basically the synthesis is having. See, they have taken the library and did the synthesis. Okay, so this is basic of synthesis using the Cadence tool, that is Genus. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for support. Okay, bye.